Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you that you can use the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution and the Alpha Arbutin together in one routine. This is actually a great and simple PM skincare routine, which I also wanted to show you step by step so that you also can use it at home. So here you can see what the routine looks like. We're going to start off with cleanser, then we are moving on to the glycolic acid. Then we're going to use the Alpha Arbutin afterwards, and optional, you can also finish it off with a moisturizer. Now, when it comes to step number 1, choose your favorite cleanser and make sure that it's suitable with your skin type so that it also feels comfortable. And make sure to also read the directions of how you should use the cleanser, because sometimes the cleanser needs to be used on wet or on dry skin. In this case, I'm going to use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleanser, and I'm also going to wet my face at first, then use a small amount and then massage it onto the skin. So, and now you can also rinse it off with water. If you want to use in between a fresh cloth which you're going to wet, you can do so to also help you to remove the cleanser a bit easier. Whatever works the best for you, that's the way you should do. Just make sure that it also will remove the cleanser totally. So now go ahead and grab a fresh towel and pat the skin dry. So, and now you can also immediately move on to the next step, which is applying the Ordinary Glycolic Acid toner. So go ahead and use the toner as well as a fresh cotton pad and dispense some product onto the cotton pad and then sweep it across your face and neck area. So there's no need to wash it off, leave it on the skin. And now you can also immediately move on to the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin. Go ahead and use about 1 to 3 drops for the entire face and neck area. Now when using Alpha Arbutin, you can either use it all over your face and neck area, or you just can use a small amount and only use it on that specific area where you feel the need, which you also want to treat so that it also will be reduced. So this depends on what you want to treat and also how big the area is that you want to treat. Either use it on that specific area or use it all over the face and neck area. So, and once you have applied the Alpha Arbutin, leave it on the skin. There's no need to wash it off. Even if you just want to use it for spot treatment, leave it on the skin. There's no need to wash it off. Now, the last step is optional, which is also applying the natural moisturizing factors. So depending on your skin type, you may not feel to use a moisturizer, which is totally fine. Otherwise, if you have, for example, also dry skin, you also can use a moisturizer afterwards. So I'm going to use a pea-sized amount of the moisturizer and apply it evenly all over my face and neck. Now you also can just use the moisturizer on specific dry areas that you have on your face. Maybe you also have a combination skin that you don't want to use it in your T-zone because you're getting oily anyway. But on the other dry areas you also can use the moisturizer so that you also have the right balance and it also feels comfortable on the skin. So, and after you have applied the moisturizer, of course it's optional, then this is also the last step of your PM skincare routine. Now I also do hope that you could follow the steps, that you enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget to give the thumbs up as well as share it, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!